And for this exercise, I'm going to be using the claw hand, which I've been very interested in recently because of how it's different, how our brains interact differently with the movement of the balls. So when we catch this way, we're really focusing on where the ball is in this plane of movement, and we put our hand where it's going to fall, right? When we are catching this way, we're really more focused on this plane. So we're really interested in where the ball is, and we have to go to where it's going to be. We have to meet it, right? So it's just a different perspective. It's different for the brain, and it works our eyes differently as well, and our working memory, which tracks the movement of the ball. So that's just interesting to me, and I want to do all kinds of different variations. So for this activity, I'm just going to make a short pattern. It's using one ball, and we'll change it up a little bit. I hope you'll come up with your own variations as well. So let's start like this. One catch, throw across, one catch here, and then another catch, throw across, another catch, throw across. Okay, so you can try that out. Now I'm going to make it a little more complicated. I'm going to have to focus a little more. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do 3 catches, throw. So what I'm having to do is count. And this counting, you can make it even more complex, but even just counting a little bit uses working memory. You have to focus on how many times did I throw it. How am I counting also? Am I counting by the sound? Because that can be an indicator, right? We could use the sound as our way of counting. Right? 1, 2, 3, as we hear it. Or I could count the throws as a visual thing. So this could be slightly different, actually. I could say 1, 2, right. I could do 2 throws, and then on the 3rd throw, cross. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2. Something like that. Anyway, I'm not sure if I messed it up a little bit, but that's okay. So you can try that out. Now I'm going to make it a little more complex. I'm going to do, let's see, 2. I'm feeling the catches right now, counting catches. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Right? So I can do that. I'm going to do the other side now. 1, 2. Oops. Alright, now I'm going to do something else. I'm going to do 5 catches in this hand, 4 in this hand, 3 in this hand, 2 in that hand, 1. Alright, so let's try it. Kind of nice. You can play around with all different kinds of numbers and mixing it up and this and that. And I hope you do, and I'll talk to you next time.